Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume using the Beats Solo 4. So all you have to do is locate the left ear cup. So this is the left ear cup, which has a headphone jack. So that's the left ear cup. And then from here, if you'd like to adjust the volume, you can simply tap on this upper part and the lower part to either increase or reduce the volume. So for me, I have this song. So if I want to increase the volume, all I have to do is tap on this part. And as you can see, it will increase the volume. So you can tap on it to increase the volume. And if you'd like to reduce the volume, all you have to do is tap on the lower part of the left ear cup to reduce the volume. There you go. So that's basically it on how to adjust the volume of any media using your Beats Solo 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.